Alright, today we're going to do a video comparison between the Hubsan Zino and the Parrot Anafi. But first I want to show you what we have here. I bought a case from Amazon. This one's a little larger than the other ones like you can get to fit the Mavic. But as you can see here, this one gives you plenty of room if you want to do the battery mod, the cable mod that I've done here. Then your balance charger can fit into that slot, or your standard charger can fit in there. But also you have plenty of other space in here to fit like a landing pad, SD cards, extra batteries. So this bag may look a little big compared to the controller case and the controller of the Parrot, but it's not that big a case and it fits everything pretty nice. So I'll put the link at the bottom below. But today we're going to do a video test, and at the end of that I'm going to go ahead and put the gimbal through its paces and test out the gimbal. So let's go ahead and get them both in the air and test the different videos.